Today I'm going to show you how to do a shampoo niche, and I've got this one framed out here. It is helpful if you have a multi-tool to cut the studs that are pre-existing, and yeah, and then you just get it framed out here on the top and the bottom at the dimensions you want. I commonly do mine about 13 inches. It's framed to about 14 right here, so that when I add the tile, I'll still have 13 inches. And I'll get a nice border around here as well. This is hardy board that is screwed to the studs. I've got some glue on this sheetrock back here. I use PL Premium, and I'm just going to glue some 1/4 inch hardy board right to that sheetrock. Like so, and then the rest here I'll screw it on to my framing. Boom, there we go. I like to get a little bit of this silicone in some of the corners just to make sure it's extra waterproof tight so that no moisture gets through. And then I also put this waterproofing all over the inside. You can get this Aquadefense from Lowe's, and I just paint it on with a paintbrush. It dries pretty fast, so it's easy to do 2 coats. And that'll just keep all the moisture in the shower and from going to the other side of the room. And boom, here we go. I've got my tile laid in here. Got some nice bullnose pieces to go around to kind of frame it out. And just tile laid in all the rest of it. Now for the corners on the inside, I do have some grout filled in already to make it secure, and I am going to caulk on top of it. They have this caulk that is a perfect color match to your grout, but it does tend to crack after about a year or so, so I go over top of it with a clear silicone as well, and that helps it hold up much better. And that's how I do it. That's how you can do it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel so that you can see more cool videos about how to do more cool things. Be blessed.